Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, one of the things they showed on the upcoming episode of Izingane Zesthembu next week is that Vuyokazi's friend finally arrives. And listen you guys, the girl is good looking. The girl is good looking, and you can even see Vuyokazi's face. Like, she's so happy that finally her friend is there. But Terela's face also kind of looks uncomfortable. So it looks like when Vuyokazi's friend arrives, they are sitting down, the rest are sitting down and they're eating or something like that. And yeah. Dirana's facial expression, you can see that she's not really happy or comfortable with the fact that Vuyokazi's friend is there. So anyway, Vuyokazi's friend mentioned something that I was just like, excuse me, ma'am. She said that her, Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi, Yafana, that it is as good as them having dated, that the three of them have all dated. Then I was just like, well, why would Vuyokazi be friends with a person who dated Mpumelelo, who's her baby daddy? And then when I thought about it, I finally caught on that the friend is probably saying that because remember Vuyokazi said that she wanted to bring someone who knows about the whole thing and the whole situation between her and Mpumelelo. So meaning that this friend probably knows about literally literally everything that goes on or has went on between Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi's relationship, and that's the reason why she can say it's as good as the three of us are dating, because that's how much she knows. But not that she actually dated Mpumelelo. That's my understanding of it, and I bet that when we get to see the actual episode, that's how it's gonna be, because I just don't see Vuyokazi probably, being besties with the person that once dated her man. But then also another thing, remember this friend is here to basically be, Vuyokazi's anchor. And one of the things we see, she's busy asking Mpumelelo that of why. She's like, basically saying that she's here to understand why he unfollowed her. And I'm like, ma'am, why would you be here to want to find out why he unfollowed you? Like, that is like, I feel like you're there for your friend. So if you're there for your friend, why do you want to throw in your own business of why did he unfollow you? Like, I don't get it. I'm just like, are people trying to get their 5 minutes of fame? Because I also noticed Snare's friend, when she was even addressing Abongwe and busy saying to Abongwe that no, but like you were just like hard on Snare. I'm just like, but wait a minute. Wena ungenaphi, like you as Snare's friend, like why you wanna enter like family type of business? Like why don't you shush? Because it's family type of things. And also in one of the upcoming scenes, Snare's friend is basically having an argument with Vuyokazi's friend, and they're having an argument over Mpumelelo. And I'm like, I don't get it. Like, are these ladies looking at 5 minute fame, or are you really there to protect the person or Zengai? Because Snare's friend came for Snare, and I feel like she should not, like, when you're there to support someone, don't even say much, because that's their family. If it's friends, yeah, I get it. But family, it's a different thing. Don't even say much. Just be there to be the person's shoulder to cry on. So I feel like both these ladies, even Vuyokazi's friend, I'm just like, I'm curious to see how this is gonna turn out. But I'm just like, nah, these ladies are too talkative for me, for people who are here to support other people. I don't know, you guys. Tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you at the next one.